Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this lesson we will try to learn about NEGATE command in Allen-Bradley PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open this RSLOGIX 500 Pro and simply choose it here. One bit which value, for example, you will take from the field. That simply choose it this and any bit. I will choose this one bit and one timer or counter. You can choose any, that's your choice. And here I will give address my input field. First input address I will give I1:0 and second this in counter I will choose C5:0 and preset value any you can give, that's nothing issue. And this I will make it copy and here paste. In one input we will operate two counters because of we have to be define this command which we are using in the program, this compute math section, that's NEGATE command. We have to be use this NEGATE command, and this also we will choose the two NEGATE commands because of from the field one input we will choose and one we will use up counter and one we will use down counter. Simply here you can choose that CTD and after make it enter, this will be converted in your count down timer. And this address I will change, that's one I will choose, and here that NEGATE command also that C5:0 that I will make here C5:0 and this one I choose C5:1. Why I use this two commands? Because of easy to understand. When counter keeps the value in plus condition, this will be show in minus condition. When counter keeps the value in minus condition, this will be shows in plus condition. So easy to understand. And now the deset value, destination value, for example, I will take N7:0 and that one I will choose N7:1 because of that stored value in different must be you have to be choose both data registers with different number. If you choose one, it will be disturb the program, and this program download to the PLC. Basically this NEGATE command, what's the function? This makes any value which is coming from field, it shows us in opposite direction. If value came from the field is minus, it will show plus. If coming plus value, it will show the minus. So very simple. Give the one signal to the counter. See, my up counter gives one value and this NEGATE one command, this NEGATE first command C5:0 which we takes value from this counter, this shows in minus 1, and as this countdown timer giving us the value in minus condition and it will show us in plus condition. As I give one more signal, see value coming from up counter C5:0, it shows in minus condition. Because of this value is coming in plus condition, this shows us in minus. And this 5:1, the CTD counter, that's giving us the value in minus condition, and this NEGATE command shows us in plus condition. Basically, this is the function of this command in the program. Anywhere you can use for when your data coming from the field. This is in minus, for example, coming, it will be show in un plus condition. If your data coming from the field is plus, it will be show. If you like to see in minus, that's data, it will be show you in plus condition. So I hope you understand about this negate command, how we can use. But simply think about this negate command gives us the opposite direction value. Any value which you provide to this command, this will be make opposite and shows you. And when you take this value, you can use in program. Next, the in program how you can use this is depend on your own logic. But because of different machines have different logics, different people use different method, and use your own logic how to use. This is only just learning purpose, and inshallah will be next video. I will tell you how we can implement this commands with more examples. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.